Hi guys, so today pag-uusapan lang natin itong pre-market ni Hamster. Maraming mga confused, maraming mga nagtatanong ano yung idea dito ng pre-market. So discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. Other updates pa dito and ideas guys, no? But before we start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So itong video natin is just an update for ideas and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito, reference, and other updates guys, no? For now guys, andito tayo sa dashboard ni Hamster under pre-market guys, no? Meaning ito is on its speculation price pa lang, under ito nung OTC trading, and as we can see nagbabago yung pinaka-presyo neto guys, no? Maraming confused dito guys kasi as per checking yung last price is nasa 30 cents, no? Ito. So dito guys, meaning pag pre-market it's a bulk order guys, no? So inopen na rin natin dito yung ating calculator. Ito guys, nare-record yung last price based doon sa mga bumili executions na nangyari based doon sa bulk orders guys, no? Let's say for example, scroll down natin dito. Meron tayo dito guys example na yung order amount lang dito is 300 tapos yung price is the 30 cents guys, no? So meaning yung pinaka-presyo niyan bawat isa is nasa 0.001, no? So divide lang natin yung pinaka last price doon sa amount na na-execute guys, no? So like for example, ito yung collateral amount which is 300, and then 0.3 divided by 300, yan na yung pinaka price niya bawat isa guys, no? So we can also cross-validate that dito sa recent highest bid. So tama, 0.001. In peso guys, yung presyo niyan is nasa 0.059 in peso guys, no? So if we convert that into USDT or into USD. So ngayon, ang daming mga updates dito. Meron na din dito ang pinaka-data, last updated, no? So andito yung pinaka-details. Dito guys, itong platform na to, kina-calculate kung kailan yung upcoming presumably token generation event guys, no? Or TGE. So sabi dito is on Q3, meaning Q3 is around July, August, September guys. So yung month na yan, yan yung cover ng quarter 3 or Q3. Ang isa sa mga questions lang naman dito guys is that yung pinaka pre-market, no? So sa pre-market, ito yung data pa lang niya. As per calculation, yung price bawat isa is ranging around this price guys, no? 0.001 in USDT. Itong last price guys is ito yung pinaka bulk order executed, like for example 300 yung nasa collateral amount, no? Like for example this one. So ito, meron ditong 0.299. Calculate mo lang yan tapos yung collateral amount. So like for example 0.299 tapos divide mo lang sa 299. Ito yung magiging pinaka-price guys, no, ng bawat isa. So, simple explanation for the pre-market dito kay Hamster, no. So, meron tayong mga videos na ginawa dito sa ating YouTube channel. If ever man, no, advanced idea na binigyan natin ng perspective, punta lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel. Ito, binigyan natin ng perspective. Like for example, malist na siya. And then you have this GCash and applications na pwede mong gamitin. Ito rin sa Telegram kung meron pa kayong Natcoins. Ayan, ginawan ko ng video yan. Yung recent upload natin sa ating YouTube channel, how to withdraw papunta sa GCash guys, no? So step by step natin yan na ginawa ng idea dito. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions guys, feel free to ask lang dito sa ating comment section and I'll try my best to give perspective ideas guys, no? That's it for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.